Hey guys, welcome to Dazzling Handmade. Today I am doing a Aliexpress craft supply haul video. And I got 3 packages here. They're like okay size, mid-size, not too big, not too small. Whew, I had to admit, I bought new stuff. 2020, there's so many new things and I needed them. I think I might be low-key hoarder. Slightly, a little bit. Not too much, just a little bit. Stamps. So I know Valentine's Day is approaching. I want to make some cards, but I found a bunch of unopened packages from Aliexpress that I still need to open and put in haul videos and even organize. And a lot of these have Valentine's Day stuff in it. So for this week I'm gonna try to do as many haul videos as I can, because there's literally at least 100 more videos worth of stuff. Coffee, so cute. What I like about the coffee stuff is that I can do things with it all year round. I think this is a duplicate. Unlike Halloween stuff. For Halloween, usually only around Halloween. Very good, very good. More Christmassy stuff. See, I have so much more Christmas stuff that I haven't even opened or completely forgot that I even ordered it. Holly jolly everything. Really cute. Kind of thick lines. But this one, the lines look really, really sharp. And I don't even have to color it. I can just send this underneath. Awesome. Ooh, a die. A rose and a die together. Let's see. A little town. Oh, I mean a house. Town. It's just a house. Very cute. I love the sentiment. Beautiful font. It takes up a pretty big space. How is everyone doing? How is 2022 so far? Me, I honestly have not done a lot lately. I'm on a diet right now. I'm on a diet right now, but check out what I got. It is a 3 9/4 wax stamp, and then I have wax Gryffindor color. So I'm gonna play with that later. We have this window, and comes with this die. Yeah, this is too small for it. Comes with this die. So it's just a window and then stuff with it. Very interesting. This will go for next Christmas. I feel like Christmas is just around the corner, so I might as well start making Christmas stuff right now. Oh, I got a gift. Friend, thank you so much for your support to our new store. They gave me a bunch of, this is a lot of gifts. Little paper stuff. Cute. Very cute. Useful too. I mean, not a lot of people give gifts, so it's always nice when you do receive something. Alright, dies. A big heart. See? Valentine's Day stuff. An owl. Oh, and they have their own store name over here. Let me see if you can see it. This is the store name. Panalisa. Merry Christmas. This one. It cuts out the whole card. A horse. Rocking horse. In here, this is really cute. I love this one. In here we have a few things. There is a crown in the middle. And oh, is it upside down? Crown. this, another crown, crowns, and this. Awesome, really cute. I think they're gonna be really good quality too. It looks like it's pretty thick on the knife part. Next one, I have a fairy godmother leaves. This one is a clock outline, kind of outline for the whole card. And then in here we have folk cartoon style flowers and animals. Flamingo, so cute. Yeah, this is perfect for Valentine's Day. And there's also some leafy flower in it with it. Very cute. I'm gonna set this aside for the Valentine's Day stuff. Flower, cat, set aside. And then for the last for this package is this big die. With this I want to try to cut napkins because it's the size of a napkin. Hopefully that will work. It is very, very big. Okay, last one. This was a quick video. Oh. In here I have 2 dies. See, I told you, I've seen this before, but this is the 3rd one. Where is it? Aha! It's the same thing. Yes, little Cupid. And I have the 3rd one in the need to organize box. So one of this is gonna go to the giveaway. Okay, and the other one. Is this the other one? I grabbed the stack so quick. I didn't realize what I was grabbing. Another duplicate. What? You know what? I think this was a replacement. Yeah. Yes, I think it was a replacement. And then I got the original. Because sometimes it takes over 2 months, and then when it takes over 2 months, you instantly think it got lost or stolen. So I prefer to get a replacement instead of a refund, and I think that's what happened here. I cannot tell if it's the same sender because it's not in English. Anyways, so look at that. What I don't understand is why one doesn't have a barcode and the other one does have a barcode. It doesn't matter. One of them is going to the giveaway. Yeah. Okay, so that was it for today's short video. Wow, I think this was my shortest haul yet. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a fantastic rest of the day.